You've seen the videos. Make $10,000 a month with this easy AI side hustle. They flash these crazy screenshots of big numbers, promising you a life of freedom. And it's all supposedly powered by some new AI tool that does everything for you. Let's be honest, most of it is garbage. So I decided to put the most popular AI side hustle to the test. The one everyone is talking about. The one they say is a guaranteed win. Starting an AI-powered marketing agency for local businesses. I followed the playbook exactly like the guru said. But what I found was a single hidden problem that almost guarantees you'll lose money. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that problem is, and more importantly, how to actually build a profitable business with AI. On paper, the plan sounds incredible, almost foolproof. Step 1. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to crank out social media posts, email newsletters, and blog articles for small businesses. Step 2. Find local businesses, plumbers, dentists, coffee shops who are way too busy to even think about their own marketing. Step 3. Charge them a sweet monthly retainer, anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month for content that an AI literally wrote in minutes. It sounds perfect, right? Minimal effort, huge profit margins, and a massive market of businesses that desperately need help. So, I dove in head first. I threw up a simple website, subscribed to a few of the big AI writing tools, and started generating content. I was ready for the checks to start rolling in. At first, it honestly felt like magic. I could generate 30 social media posts for a real estate agent in about 15 minutes. A whole week of email campaigns for a local gym? Done in less than an hour. The AI was ridiculously fast, and the stuff it was putting out looked impressive. It was professional, it was clean, and there were no typos. I had a product ready to go. But then came the hard part, selling it. I started reaching out to business owners, showing them the content and explaining how it could transform their marketing. And that's where this perfect plan just completely fell apart. I kept hearing the same things over and over. It sounds a bit generic. Does anyone actually read this stuff? You're the 10th person to email me this week offering the exact same thing. The AI content was technically perfect, but it had no soul. It had zero specific insight into their business. It was a commodity. And I realized that because AI makes content so easy to create, the market is completely flooded. I wasn't selling a unique service. I was selling the same thing as 1,000 other people with the same idea. And that's when it hit me. The dark truth. The problem isn't that AI side hustles are a scam. They aren't. And it's not that they're too hard. The hidden problem is that you are selling the wrong thing. The gurus tell you to sell AI content or AI marketing. But AI-generated content by itself is almost worthless. Why? Because it's a commodity. It's something anyone can create for free or for a few bucks a month. You're out here trying to sell water in a world where it rains every single day. The real money, the real opportunity, isn't in selling the direct output of an AI. It's using AI as a tool to solve a much deeper, more painful business problem. Let me give you a real-world example. Instead of walking up to a plumber and offering to sell them AI-generated blog posts for $500, think about their actual pain point. A typical plumber gets tons of calls a day, but they often miss them when they're on a job or after hours. Every single missed call is a potential customer and thousands of dollars walking right out the door. Now, imagine you go to that same plumber with a totally different offer. You say, "I've built a system that uses AI to instantly text every single missed call, engage the customer, and book them right into your calendar. It will save you 5 to 10 jobs a month." See the difference? Suddenly, you're not selling a cheap commodity anymore. You're selling a solution to a 5-figure problem. The AI is just a small piece of that system, but the value you're delivering is enormous. That is a service a business owner will happily pay a $500 or $1,000 monthly retainer for, because they can see a direct return on their investment. The AI is your leverage, not the product itself. The shift is simple. Stop being a tool operator and start being a problem solver. If you want to learn how to spot these high-value problems that AI can solve, I've put together a free checklist with 10 questions you need to ask before you start any AI venture. It'll help you find the real opportunities that everyone else is missing. The link is right down in the description. So, the dark truth about easy AI side hustles is this. The money isn't in the hustle. It's in the skill of finding and solving real-world business problems. Stop trying to sell AI. Start using AI to sell high-value solutions. Most people are going to fail because they'll keep chasing the shortcuts, but the ones who really succeed, they'll be the ones who treat this like a real business, focusing on delivering undeniable value that no one can turn into a commodity.